Nice one, guys. So basically, I'm gonna be doing you guys a simple plum juice. Alright? Leftover plum in my kitchen from Chef Ricardo. Now, what I'm gonna do is simple. As you can see, these are perfectly ripe and just ready to blend. Look how they're red, like, I would say normally red like what do you call this now? Like, the juice of them is so amazing. Look at them, they're double ripe, and that's how I definitely like the plum. Alright, so I'm just gonna be making a simple plum juice, but honestly it's going to be fantastic and amazing, guys. Honestly, look at that, really lovely. So amazing, and I'm just cutting them up right now to show you exactly. Say you're at home and you know what I mean. Come on, Chef Ricardo, what's going on in the kitchen? Yeah, if you're at home and you want to do something very quickly, this come in really handy for you guys. Honestly, plum juice, special summer, anytime, it doesn't matter. Even in a winter, you still can have plum juice. It doesn't matter what time you want to have them. Me personally have plum juice any time of the year. Alright? Yeah. So as you can see exactly what's going on right here. I just simple cut up the plum, and I'm gonna just take this to the blend for a few minutes. Alright, now I'm going to add a little bit of like this is some lemon, and I got some ginger, some root ginger, fresh root ginger. Really nice to have in it. I mean that. Yeah, I'm gonna put some fresh root ginger inside of it. Alright? That is amazing. Not only that, but I had some water to free up the blender. Alright? Hopefully you guys can see exactly. Yeah, you guys can see exactly what's going on. Now we're just gonna simple put this to the blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. Just gonna simple run it through the strainer. Won't take long, about 2 to 3 seconds. As you can see, that's gonna, not only that, you can do like a smoothie from it, but I'll tell you something, when you do it this way and strain it, is amazing, guys, honestly. You can smell that beautiful ginger from it. So we're just gonna simple lower it and make it slowly dripped out, just like that. Yeah? Really nice. You can smell that lovely fresh ginger and the lemon. So you just want to just get that liquid from what the strainer. Look at that juice coming out. See? Look at that. Nice one. So that's it so far. Now we're gonna shear it up. Fantastic and an amazing one. Nice one. So it's time to serve up that beautiful rich plum juice recipe from Chef Ricardo. All you're going to do, put some ice into the glass. And serve it like this. So it's thick and nice. Yeah. That's exactly what you're looking for. That is amazing. I know it's plum juice, but what you can do, you know what I mean? Just put a piece of slices of apple on it like that. That's looking amazing and fantastic, guys. See? Look at that. Lovely. Look at the color of that beautiful, rich plum juice from Chef Ricardo. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and subscribe is very important with Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright? I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipes.